Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Stefan's Kitchen. Well, I'm getting finally through all of my Christmas recipe videos, and I'm gonna have a lot of good desserts and cookies and goodies and stuff. I've already done the shortbreads, so now I'm going to move on to brownies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, so I've done, some brownies before, and I've added in some things like, white chocolate or, add in special things. Today, I'm just going to give you straight up, easy, simple, always delicious with a glass of milk, brownies. Alright, so first, we're going to start off, we have all of our things. As you can see, that is my flour and my baking powder. The smaller one was the baking powder. And salt, and I put it all in the bowl, and instead of using a sifter, I just use a small whisk, bring it all together kind of thing. Next, we're going to melt butter, and we're going to slowly stir in our cocoa. There we go. Brownies are not hard to make. It's not rocket scientist. It's not rocket science. This is literally one of the easiest things to bake. As long as you follow this, it shouldn't be hard. Next, we're adding in our sugar to the cocoa and butter. Next, we're going to add in our vanilla. Yes, I eyeball stuff from time to time. No big deal. Next, adding in our eggs. Meh. Oh, I see a piece of shell. We tried to get it in there, didn't we? Anyways. We're going to put in our third one. And our fourth. Yeah, I don't usually always do the one-handed thing. I just wanted to try it for a change. But yeah, you're probably safer just doing it the old-fashioned way. Give it a good stir, then add in that quote-unquote sifted flour baking powder and salt. I'm just crushing up some whole pecans here in my hands, no big deal. You can also add in walnuts. Again, nothing too extravagant, but it seems like nuts always go with brownies, and I like pecans and walnuts. That's just me. But if you're allergic to nuts, or maybe you just don't like them, then don't add them. That's fine. You can do it without any of the nuts whatsoever. And anyways, once you get the flour and stuff in with the other mixture, just give it a good stir around until it all turns into a nice brown color. Don't worry, it'll all incorporate, as you can see. There we go. Super whipping! Alright, next, we're going to take a bit of paper towel, we're going to get a little bit of butter, and we're going to grease our pan. Now, some people might say, Jesus, you're going overboard, but no, don't worry about it, alright? Okay, we're good, we're good. This is just making sure that when we go and take a brownie out later, that it'll actually come out of the pan and not get stuck to the bottom. Don't you hate when that happens? I do! Anyways, next we're going to pour the batter into our greased rectangular pan, and we're going to bake at 350 for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, if you want to have the best way of testing, get a Q-tip, get a toothpick, and insert it into the middle, and if it comes out clean, then your brownies are definitely cooked. Now, in case you're wondering what I was doing there, I was trying to even out the batter by kind of shifting it back and forth. Also brings out some of the air that's inside if you shift it fast enough. So, in about 25 minutes, like I said, 20 to 30, depending on how your oven is, you get these nice, delicious brownies. Yes, we've already had one. It was so delicious. Now, I like to do it at 20 minutes. Why? Because you get that just thin enough layer of gooey, brownie to it. So if you like that gooiness, 20 minutes is good. If you like a more drier or cakey brownie, do it for 30. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you tried it, and have a good day.